So now let's apply the concept of valence electrons. The concept of what? The concept of valence electron. So we have here the electron dot configuration. So what is electron dot configuration? So it is an electron dot, or also known as the Lewis dot structure or Lewis symbol. It uses dots to represent the valence electrons of an atom around its chemical symbol, showing how these electrons are involved in bonding to form molecules. So, for example, I have an illustration here. First, this carbon that shows the orbital or ining may mga circle pa. So this shows a complete set for electrons for carbon. However, aton diri manotice sa ikaduha, giwatok na nakon ang mga circle. So what I just put is the valence electrons, or nidiretso na dayon ako sa diin mo ko ni diretso na ko sa outermost shell, dito na sa valence electron. So, this is why, sa next na slide, si C kay tuldok na lang ang akong gibutang. Wa na ako nagbutang sang circle. So, this is the representation of electron dot configuration. So this is what I mean when I say C na tuldok na lang ang akong gibutang. Pila man katuldok ang gibutang ni ma'am? We have 4. Because din gato naton mahibawan kung pila ka book ang tuldok sang usa ka letter sa iya group. So since carbon belongs to group, pila gani siyang group? Group 4, kay 4 lat ang iya valence electrons. So here, para makadumdum ka mo, tanawan ninyo si carbon. Ara siya sa group 4A. So amoy na siya na 4 kabuok ang iya dots. So now let's have an example. Let's start with sodium. Which or where do you think si sodium na locate? Si sodium na locate siya sa group 1, period 3. Use your periodic table in your house. Group 1, period 3. So, pila man ang tuldok or ang dot ni sodium? 1 only, because sodium belongs to group 1. Now, let's proceed with the other example, the oxygen. Si oxygen, ilocate ninyo si oxygen, diin man siya nabilong. Nabilong siya sa group 2 na period 2, group 6. So, group 6 man siya, pila man kabuk aton tuldok? Unom lat kabuok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ma'am, na-notice na akon ma'am, ang tuldok lagi ni oxygen kay dili lagi tagduha-duha. Ang iban lagi may usa-usa. Ina siya ang imo pagtuldok. Always remember, ang pagtuldok, maximum of 2. Maximum of 2. And then, ma'am, pwede ngayon, so pwede mag 1. Of course, pwede mag 1. Depende kung nano ang kabanding or ang i-attach or attach siya ni oxygen. And then now, let's proceed with aluminum. So, si aluminum, hain man siya nabilong, si aluminum. Ara siya sa group 3, period 3. So, pila man kabuk ang dot ni aluminum. So, tululat kabuk ang dot ni aluminum. So that is how we determine the dot for our elements using the electron dot configuration. So now, let's have another example. So, oxygen, nagband ko no siya with beryllium. So, pila gato ang aton kinahanglan na valence electrons para ma-balance, para ma-stable, or para ma-satisfied na ang aton element. Pila man ang aton kinahanglan? Pila? 8. Okay? 8. So as what you can notice here, the valence electrons of oxygen is pila ka buok? 6. The valence of oxygen is 6 while the valence electrons of beryllium is 2. So meaning, how much or how many valence electrons is needed for oxygen or is needed of oxygen in order for it to become stable? Pila man kabuk? So since 8 should be the needed. O, di ba? 8 ang imo needed na valence electrons. So, pila naman lang ang kinahanglan ni oxygen? Pila ka buok? 2. So, here is an example na aton gibuhat kalina. Let's highlight to balance oxygen. So, for this bonding, na balance na ba si oxygen? Yes, because it gains 2 electrons. Naka-gain siya duha ka electron, meaning naka-8 na siya ka valence electrons. And that makes oxygen balanced or stable. So now let's have another example. For example, sodium and chlorine. So aton sila i-bond together. So let's determine first pila man ang ila valence electron. So since sodium belongs to group 1, sodium has 1 valence electrons. On the other hand, chlorine belongs to group 7A. So ara siya ha, group 7 man si chlorine. So pila ka buok diri ang dot ni chlorine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So chlorine has 7 ka electrons. So meaning pila naman ang kinahanglan ni chlorine to make it balance? Only 1. So na-balance ba si chlorine by bonding it with sodium? Yes. So now let's have another example and our last example for today. So let's try to bond 2 oxygen plus 1 carbon or usa lang siya ka carbon. So as what we can notice, diin man na belong si oxygen na group sa group 6. On the other hand, carbon belongs to group 4. So as what we can notice, pila man ang dot ni carbon? Ara siya 4, the pink one. On the other hand, si oxygen, pila ka bukang iya? 6 ining mga violet. Ma'am, nanong duha man ka oxygen? O, duha gid ka oxygen kay 2 oxygen plus 1 carbon man. So, anong masinin naton para ma-balance? Na-balance ba si carbon by bonding it with 2 oxygen? Yes, aton siya ihapon ha. 1, ang pink niya, may aran na daan siya 4. So, plus 2 diri sa another side for oxygen 6. And then plus 2 sa another side, 8. So, that makes the carbon element balanced. And that is all for today.